Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. I hope you are fine. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you the importance of alligator pepper, for your body, like literally, like how effective this could make you a whole, healthy, like healthy, strong, and all of that. This is superb. Now our forefathers have actually been using this a whole lot for different reasons, different purposes, but this is one of the reasons in which they actually use it. Okay, this is amazing. This work like magic. Now I actually made this method in two ways, so you can either use this or use this, or you just use the two. I recommend you just use the two. Use this when and then you use the second one also. So let me take you right into this video so you can see how I did, how I mix the alligator pepper plus other ingredients to give you that sound health and to make you that you. Okay, all right, so let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Okay guys, so this is alligator pepper, and this is actually very good. It has actually been used anciently for numerous things, both spiritually and some physical stuff. Yeah, you see that? Okay, so this is how the sack is, and this is the whatever, the leaf, or the, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so what you're going to do here now, if it was before, they would just put this alligator pepper in your mouth, and just chew it, and it is actually very pepperish, like very pepperish. Yeah, and since you're not going to be able to just put it in your mouth and chew, there is a solution. Now let's make it work better. Okay, now we're gonna be blending it. Okay guys, so this is it. When you finish blending the alligator pepper, it will turn white, and then just the back will be here, and it smells great. Like, I usually love the smell of this alligator pepper, and this is how it is. Okay, so just this alligator pepper would make you ginger up. It would help you when you want to play Ronaldo and whoever. Who's that? You drink this and you play well. You are going to play really well. You're gonna be on the field for so freaking long. Okay, so let me show you another ingredient that you can complement this with. Okay, that's in case you do not have alligator pepper. Okay, I am very sure you're going to be having watermelon. So I have my huge watermelon, and you can take some part of your watermelon. Okay, and then you dice it up. Remember not to remove the seed, and always impute the back, this white side of this watermelon is very important. Yeah, so always put it in. Don't throw it away. Okay, so after cutting that, I'm gonna be putting that into a blender. And since I have a small blender, I'm gonna be blending them one after the other. Okay. I'm actually cutting it this way so that it can actually blend, because my blender is actually very small. And I'm not going to be putting in any water. And then I'll blend it. So after that, you're gonna be sieving it out. Or you can actually drink it with the fiber, but do not remove the seed. Just drink it with the seed. Okay, so this is my watermelon juice all set and ready. And then we're going to be needing lemon. Okay, so you're gonna be needing just a little lemon. You're not gonna be needing too much. Okay, so do not take too much of lemon, because too much of lemon every day is not ideal. Okay, so just a little bit of lemon, because this lemon has a lot of juice. So this is it. Okay, so the next and last thing is bitter cola. Yeah, you need this, okay, in case you've actually gone to drink some beer, take some junk food, and you know you're not eating healthy and all of that. Okay, so you need this to stabilize your whole body, and so you will be able to ginger. Okay, okay, so after cutting that, then we'll have to transfer it into a blender, put in a little more water, and then we blend. Okay, so now I will blend. Okay, so after blending, then we're going to sieve the bitter cola out, or if you want, you can actually just put in everything. Okay, so this is our bitter cola, lemon and watermelon. Yeah, so we're gonna be transferring everything into the cup. I didn't sieve out the lemon, so I'm gonna be doing that. So after doing that, now we can stir very well, and here we go. Okay guys, so this is it, and this is actually going to get you in that state of, you know, wanting. Okay, and this is the alligator pepper. which is actually going to help to remove all of the bad stuff in your body like sugar and all of that. This is going to do that too. So if you don't have this, you can get this. If you can get the two, that means you just prepare the two. Take this in the morning, take this when you want to play Okocha and Ronaldo. Okay, so that's basically it. And let me have a take of this. This is so yummy. The pinkish color is so beautiful and it tastes really great too. This is great. It's especially better for men and it is wonderful too. So go give it a go and you're going to be confessing, thanking me and say thank you. Alright guys, so have you seen that? No, go give this a go. Yeah, give this a try. So the thing is that I actually cannot actually spell all of the word here because YouTube nowadays. Okay, so you have to understand, not that I don't have a word to say and tell you what it does and all of that stuff. Okay, but as a matured mind you should understand. Okay, so that is it. Okay, I would recommend you drink the alligator pepper, or if you can eat it, you can eat it straight up, but it is actually pepperish. But if you drink it this way, it's actually it actually reduces the pepperish nature of it and it's super effective. It will make your John Thomas really you know what I mean. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.